Gift card scams are some of the most common tricks to be able to steal money, especially from older folks. Scammers know that once the card is bought and the number is read off, that money is gone forever. Now, no government agency, including the IRS, will ever ask for taxes to be paid using a gift card. If somebody tells you this, it's a scam. My hope is that this video is going to show you just how dangerous and ridiculous these scams can be. If you thought this video was helpful, please share it with somebody that you care about. The more we spread awareness, the fewer people who can get hurt. And if you want to see more videos where we expose scammers and teach people how to avoid them, hit the subscribe button. And now, on to the call.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, Raymond Johnson, Mega Millions. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Raymond. I received a phone call a couple hours ago. It was probably about 12-ish, 11, 12-ish, saying that I had won a prize or something and to talk to you to try to claim. Is this the right guy? Am I in the right department?
Yes, you're talking to Raymond Johnson. Do you have your claims number?
No, I'm sorry. The voicemail didn't come with one. Is there another way we can validate it?
State your name so I can pull your file.
Yeah, no problem. My name is Tim Smith.
And you're from Arizona?
Yes, sir.
You were never informed via the letter then, right?
No, was I supposed to get a letter?
Yes, you were supposed to receive a letter back in February informing you of your date and time of raffle. And there was another letter sent in March informing you that your name was drafted and you were the winner of the $19.5 million.
Uh, Wait a second, Raymond. You're saying that I won $19.5 million?
Yes, sir.
Oh my!
Along with $250,000 cash on the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. Those that this I just told you about is a complimentary prize from the Lincoln Corporation.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raymond.
All right. So you're saying this is the first time you're getting any of this information?
Yeah. This is the first time I'm hearing of any of this.
All right. Well, you have a valid ID?
Yes, I do.
And what time do you have right now there so I can put it on file at the point of where we have made contact?
Yeah, not a problem. Right now it's 5 o'clock. Well, technically it's 5:02.
Right. All right. So, being as you are a winner of this cash award, you only need to have a valid ID along with a a banking institution, and also currently not owing the IRS any outstanding.
Oh, well, I have a driver's license. Driver's license is okay, right? Because
Right.
I don't really have a state
Yeah.
ID. I do have a bank account, and I do not owe any money.
All right. So, whenever you win a large sum of money, taxes are required to be drawn. You know that, right?
Um, well, I assume taxes are for just about anything, but yeah.
All right. Well, our company have already gone ahead taking care of the taxes on your behalf, both the federal and state taxes.
Oh my God,
There's
thank you
only
so
one.
much.
There's only one fee that is required for you to take care of, and it's a short-term insurance policy with the FDIC to cover your package moving from the point of storage to the point of delivery. Okay? The short-term insurance policy is basically, as it states, temporary transit insurance policy. Once the package is delivered, within 24 to 48 hours, that policy will be terminated and you will be receiving a full reimbursement of that funding, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. The total payment for that short-term insurance policy with the FDIC, are you familiar with them?
Well, I mean, I've heard of them before, but I mean, personally, no, I'm not familiar with them.
All right. Well, the company will be helping you to take care of some amount of that payment, a percentage of 93%. The other 7% will be on your terms, which that is only for $748.32. Would you be able to cover that today or tomorrow?
I'm sorry. I'm writing down all of this so you know, Raymond. You said 740 what?
$42.31.
Yeah, I should be able to cover that.
You could, well, would that be tomorrow morning, right? Because the banks are already closed. I don't think you're in the position to do so today.
No, my bank is open until 7.
Okay. What bank are you with?
Chase.
All right. So, are you familiar with the payment method that they use is Western Union, MoneyGram, Walmart, bank-to-bank transfers, and so on. So you think you can do? You say your bank is Chase, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And if we were supposed to furnish you with a Chase information, would you be able to do the wire transfer from home, or you would have to go to the bank?
No, I should be able to do it. Well, I'd have to go to the bank, but yeah, I can do it if you just give me what kind of info. But basically, you're saying that I'd have to do a wire transfer from my bank account to another bank account. Is that basically what you're saying?
Right, in order to make the payment, or you can do a. Are you familiar with Green Dot MoneyPak card?
Well, I've seen them. But I can do the bank transfer. That's not a problem.
Okay, all right. So the name of the representative.
Okay, so I've got that information. I can go down to the bank right now and take care of it. The bank is only maybe like 5 minutes away from my house, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Do you want me to
Well,
give you a call back once it's done, or like what all do you want me
right.
to do?
Yes, I definitely want you to give us a call back once you get it done.
Okay, yeah, not a problem. Um, so give me, oh gosh, I don't know how long this should take. Give me about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and I can give you a call back. That shouldn't be a problem.
All right. All right. You call just what you do. You just call us back when you're finished doing it, so we can verify with Mr. Martin that the transaction is completed. He will look and know if it's there, if it's pending, or deposited, and then we can then further set up everything for the delivery for tomorrow. Okay.
Beautiful.
All right. Congratulations again, and welcome aboard. So
Yes,
Tim,
yes.
be safe and be careful. Okay.
Yes, sir, I definitely will.
All right. Congratulations again and welcome to Financial Freedom. And we're listening to hear from you soon.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye bye. Hello?
Yes, hi, Raymond.
Raymond John? Yes.
Hey, Raymond, it's Tim.
Oh, Mr. Smith, how are you doing now?
I'm good. Well, I'm kind of good. I ran into a snag at the bank, and I had to come back to my house to try to call you.
Okay. What happened down there?
Well, I was at the bank. I went in. I gave him the information. I told him I needed to do a bank transfer for the $742.31 to that bank account number and everything. And when they were starting to get it going, they said that there was some kind of problem with that bank account, that it's flagged for something. They told me legally they couldn't tell me why, and that I'm not able to actually do the money transfer. I don't know what's going on.
All right. That's no problem then. All right. If the bank is if it's having problem with the account, then what you can do is you can get those cards.
Oh, what cards was that?
Those cards are called the Money Pack scratch cards.
Oh, okay. I've heard of those before. Are they're basically
Green,
gift cards, right?
yeah, Green Dot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can grab those. What's the max limit on them?
500. So you can get one for 500 and get one for 220.
Okay, yeah, not a problem. I should have no problems going down. I can get those at just about any like Can I get them at the gas station down the street? Or do I have to go somewhere special?
They're sold at Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, Rite Aid. I don't know if 7-Eleven still sells them.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I saw them at the Circle K that's down the street from my house. Um,
Okay.
I
You
can
have
try there, not a problem.
yeah,
If you
you
give
have Dollar General. You have Dollar General, Family Tree, Dollar Tree.
Okay, yeah, yeah, not a problem. I'll get those. It's 2 cards. We'll be able to do this. Quick question though. Uh, when is my delivery supposed to get here?
Tomorrow morning at 9.
Tomorrow morning at 9. Okay, and what address do you guys have for me? Because I put down the address on the postcard that I mailed out. I just want to make sure that it's still the correct one.
You said you're not. You said you're not in. You're in Arizona, right? That's what you told me.
Well, yes, but Arizona's a very big state.
Yeah, I know.
And I didn't move towns. I didn't move like a town over or anything. I did not do that. But I did move a couple blocks away from my house, and I just want to make sure that you guys are going to the correct
Well,
address. So
all right.
what is the address that you guys have for me?
What's the current address you have there? What's the
Well,
new
don't
address?
you have it there on file?
Yeah, but I'm downstairs. I'm in the storage facility where the vehicle is being held because I'm sorting out the document for that. So I'm downstairs.
Wait a second. But I thought you were up in your office. The vehicle is being stored there in your
Yeah,
business
we're in the
complex
yeah yeah. So what I would have
in
to
New
do,
York.
no, it's not in New York. The prize is in Arizona. I am in Arizona just the same.
Oh, you guys are in Arizona. Okay.
Right,
Well,
right.
okay. So when did you guys pick up the car?
The car has been there from March.
Since March?
Yes. You
Okay.
have won this. You have won this from March.
Okay. And is it going to be delivered on a flatbed, or are we going to be driving it?
It's going to be delivered on a flatbed.
Okay, and are we going to be having the balloons and camera crew and a giant check and a celebrity?
Well, I thought you said you wanted a private delivery.
I never said that.
Okay. All right. Maybe. Well, that's
Matter of
that's
fact,
the
actually,
normal
I don't
process.
think you actually ever asked.
I don't. That's what I'm saying. But because I talk to a lot of persons during the day, so I thought that I
Wait, are there
spoke to
other
you.
winners besides me?
Yeah.
So other people
you
have
have the
won this
second
same
place.
prize?
No, not the same prize. Not the same prize. Different prizes. But I tend to speak to other individuals, assign different representatives for the delivery and so forth.
Oh, wow. Okay. Um,
Yeah.
so am I going to be getting the delivery team, a giant check, balloons, a celebrity?
Well, I'm not. I don't think there will be a celebrity, but I'm sure
Oh, I'm not going to have
you
a
will.
celebrity because I see on the commercials a lot that there's what's his name, the TV host,
Steve
Steve.
Harvey.
Yeah, Steve Harvey. I see that he's on, that he does a lot of deliveries.
But he's not gonna be. He's not available for tomorrow.
Oh, he's not.
No,
Okay, well, can I
because
get somebody else?
well, if you can request somebody, well, what we can do is most likely try to see what we can do overnight. Who would you request?
Oh, you know what? Okay, so I'm kind of embarrassed by this, but I kind of want Emma Stone, or if she's not available, John Cena.
I'm not gonna make any promises. All right, but I'll
Okay.
do my best.
Because
I'll do my best.
I know he's on his last leg. He's getting ready to quote unquote retire from wrestling. So I kind of want to get him before he retires. You know.
Okay.
Okay, and
I'll try.
we're gonna be having
I'll try
the
my best.
delivery team and balloons and everything else there.
Right, and that big check.
Okay, and you're gonna be part of the team.
Yes, I will.
Oh, cool. So you're gonna be here too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so
So
and with the car, you guys are bringing it on a flatbed. Um, are
wrapped in, it's
where in
gonna
the
be
state?
wrapped in blue ribbon.
Oh,
Huh?
it's wrapped in a blue ribbon.
Right.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. I did have another question about this fee that I have to pay for taxes. You were
No,
saying that 7%.
remember.
I've got to pay 7% of the
No,
taxes,
remember.
which is
It's not tax. It's
you
not
said
taxes.
it's
It is.
$742.31. The
It's not
19
taxes.
and a
It is
half
not. It's
million
a
dollars doesn't equal that for
Tim.
7%. Yes.
Tim.
Yes.
This is not taxes that you're paying. This
Okay.
is the FDIC transit insurance policy.
Oh, for transit insurance policy. Okay, well,
Yeah, with
still
the FDIC.
okay, so what does that mean? Does that mean like if something
It's a
happens to the
short. It's
money,
right.
it gets reimbursed and I still
Right.
get my money?
That's correct.
Okay, well, why would I mean, I trust you guys to be able to, and I don't really feel the need to pay for insurance. I think insurance is a giant scam. So
It's a short term. It's a short
we
term
can just go
policy.
ahead and get rid of that.
Once the package,
I don't need
once the package is
insurance.
delivered.
It's not a problem. I trust that you guys are going to deliver my money safely. And the 15.5. With the 15.5, obviously it's not going to be in cash. It's going to be like a cashier's check, right?
Right.
Okay, that's awesome. And I'm going to be having somebody come with me to the bank.
We will. I will be one of the representative accompanying you to verify that when you get to the bank.
Okay, so then you'll be able to talk to the bank person to be able to try to get this cleared up, though, right?
Definitely.
Okay, do you know what would be causing this problem? Of
What
them
problem?
saying that, well, them saying that that account has a bunch of red flags.
Well, I wouldn't know.
No idea?
That account was that account was given to me by the FDIC office, and that's what I passed on to you.
Okay, so since I'm not paying for that FDIC insurance BS, I'll would I be able to get my prize sooner, like maybe tonight?
They won't release the package if there's not an insurance policy on it. That's why the company is helping you to
Well,
save.
I don't want the insurance policy. That's what I'm telling you. The
All right.
insurance
Well,
is
what
a
I'm gonna
giant
do,
scam,
what
and I don't
what I would
want to
have
be
to do.
part of anything like that. So I don't want to opt out. I don't want to opt in for any of that. I
All right,
just want
no
to be able to
problem.
get my prize, and I'll be able to get it tomorrow or tonight. Would I be able to get it tonight?
Tomorrow.
Still tomorrow?
Yeah, because they won't allow us to leave with the package uninsured. So I have to verify that with them that you don't want this insurance policy, and then from there I can know what to do. So I will
Well,
definitely talk to you about this in a few minutes.
well, you're going to be calling up the FDIC to try to get this
Yeah,
straightened out?
I'm gonna have to call the FDIC office and get to the board of somebody on the board of directors to see if I can get this done tonight. All
Okay.
right.
Wait, the board of directors, you're going to be trying to get all of them to come in,
Oh
all of
no, I
the entire board of directors to show up